Welcome peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel
and your boy Bijah.
Alright, so basically, as you know, today is Mother's Day, you see me? And happy Mother's Day to, you know, all of the mothers out there.
Happy Mother's
Day. You see
me?
me? But this video, as you can see by the title, another video, we're gonna call male friends them and tell them happy Mother's Day. Hopefully me get some nice reaction. I know who will give me like a nice reaction. Bricks recently is him is a father, is him, so I know him go. Bricks always react a certain type of way. You know nobody will react, you know?
Yeah, well, me have somebody that reacts certain type of way for you, but I could just see how your name react, isn't it?
Basically, what am I the first call? You or me, Ocean?
Well, man, yeah, I'm in the first call. You mean the first call?
Alright, I make the first call, people.
Yeah.
And the first person I call a Bricks. Why? Because I feel like, you know, wait, if I call Bricks first, no, I call Yardman Ethan first. You see me? And see how Yardman I go, you know, react. Alright, so I'm gonna show Yardman Ethan first and see what go on. Alright, speaker. Alright, here now.
Oh, the man on this way,
you know this man. Yardman Ethan a good youth, you know this nobody. Hold on, I'm calling foreign number. What's a Jamaican number?
Foreign number that.
No? 87.
Oh, 876.
678, I don't think I 876. Alright, so I show him on WhatsApp because I'm always online on WhatsApp. Ethan, pick up. Yardman Ethan, pick up. Alright, it's a ringing, so I'm definitely. You!
White people, bro.
Yeah, David.
Yeah,
You know, I'm calling to tell you something, dog.
For that.
Happy Mother's Day, bro.
You got jokes, bro.
I'm just a big up now, you don't know, your mother and, them thing there.
Yo, Jens, turn out the camera.
The camera on already. Yeah, him find up 4 times, people. So yo, just say hi to YouTube, bro, God.
Yeah, but yo, YouTube, big up yourself.
Yeah, people, I'm gonna subscribe to Yardman Ethan. You see me? Still I come and shout you, I feel like I'm gonna shout Berry too, you know.
Yeah, man, do the thing, man.
Alright, let's see how it big up, bro. Alright, so basically Ethan say, yo, turn on the camera.
Yeah.
So basically it's like him probably figure out how.
Yeah, camera on is a prank, you know? But I'm gonna make the second call, I know, peeps.
So you say I show it?
I'm gonna show it morning. Bridget, morning.
Alright.
Here I'm gonna say, isn't it?
Money probably cost bad wood. I saw him stay.
Yeah, what me get it right now.
What the phone say, can yeah.
Yo, what going?
Great.
Nah, it's a voice more show you know, dog. Happy Mother's Day, isn't it?
Okay, boy.
So, we can't do a friend of Mother's Day. No, so I can't tell you Mother's Day, yeah, my friend. Hey, dog, but still. What you say? Alright, bless you, isn't it? Happy Mother's Day again.
Yeah. People me telling us man yeah cost bad. It's like
man.
I know the man, brother.
Our film style, lad.
Easy me, so I don't know if it makes sense to show Rajae. But
Probably I told him I play film.
told him, yeah. Alright, yo, so people
Can I show him still?
show him.
And hear him, obviously.
Alright, people, Rajae also we cost bad word. You know this for a fact. Alright, Rajae. Alright. What's up, me I call him, man? Alright, it's a calling now, it's a ringing now. I'm on hang up on me now.
Man, you must tell him what I want.
Unavailable. Alright, so yeah, since I not get Rajae, I shout Dirty Berry. Yo, Berry. Where are you? It sound like you're up on the road.
Is it?
You're up on the road?
Yeah, on the outside, I was about curfew.
Alright, you know, me call up short, bro.
Yeah, well.
You know, so I say, Happy Mother's Day, isn't it?
What is it?
Eh?
What is it?
Happy Mother's Day.
The what?
Huh?
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Like, I know what they're doing something like that, but I know what bring that. I'm not hired up.
Yeah.
But even though it's real, I can't say it. But I know. Okay.
Listen, okay.
Yeah, man, 100%. Yeah, okay, got clear the UI.
People bury some eye. Is that video me I do still? Me I call my brother and I tell him Happy Mother's Day, isn't it?
Oh, I do was when they were trying to show my doors off, you know, like, well, man, so like,
Yeah.
we all know that sleep that deep.
Yeah. Alright, let's say a word. Big up yourself, bro.
Yeah, man.
Alright, people, that was Dirty Berry. Who is that, Bijah?
I call God.
Yeah, Garted.
Yeah.
People, God of Criman.
Yeah.
Like living Criman.
And him good with this, man.
In good at this, I got this, in goodly. I got this, Bijah.
Is it? Yo, what going?
Yeah.
You good?
How?
Dog, it's a thing me that showed you just tell you Happy Mother's Day, you see me?
Alright, dog.
You do what?
Look like a woman there.
So we can't tell Happy Mother's Day.
You put me in mother, brother.
So yeah.
Me a father.
I never really remember dog, you see me? So that's why.
I fuck you up, man. Happy Mother's Day.
Dog, easier said, brother. Happy Mother's Day, dog, you see me?
Brother, me and a mother, brother. Me not brother.
So why you not take it?
I mean a mother, brother.
Dog, you have to take it same, brother.
No, dog.
Yeah, that's the thing I know, so I just say go down.
Yeah, dog.
No, dog.
Why? You have to take it, brother.
We don't want it.
Just run with it. You could have been a mother, you never know.
I won't be a mother, dog.
That's it.
I won't be a
I'm
mother.
to be there.
God, sweet. Alright.
Okay, dog.
But then I boy Jnel.
It's a video, man, you see it?
Peter?
Yeah, we are make a video so we are call one bridging them
Yeah.
until after Mother's Day and hear what them not hear. Alright. Alright, sorry.
Alright, people. We tell us a God. Yeah, we tell us a God. Tell him, man, already.
Him anger this. I didn't know if the fuck so God anger this.
Yeah, so hold on, I'm for sure now. I short bricks. I short bricks, I know people. I feel like, you know, been through, no, that I go so now we I go say still, but I feel like we short some man where I go react a certain type of way. You see me? So bricks are for the another segment, yeah.
Bricks busy.
Come in, bricks. You
have reached
No.
the member.
Alright, I'm gonna shout him. I short bricks one more time. If I get in, then call a few more people, then along the line we just shout him back if anything. Oh, see my shout back here.
No, squad.
Yo, what going?
Hey.
I'm there, dog. I just shout if you know, tell you dog, John no star.
What up?
No, happy Mother's Day.
What?
Happy Mother's Day.
You love fun, brother.
No, true, no, I have a youth and thing, you know, that's all, you know?
Yeah, man, happy Mother's Day, man. That's something, man.
No, but- Eh?
What?
Eh?
Yeah, man, Mother's Day, man. Happy Father's Day.
No, you're not.
Because they don't celebrate Father's Day, dog, so.
Who said that?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, is that video me I do still? I show up my bridge and I tell them Mother's Day, is it?
Oh, so that can make me frightened. I went to see some ton mother. But they are still, not vibes.
Alright, let's see how it big up.
Me have Jackson. I show what Jacko.
Yeah, Jacko is the next.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, somebody will put a call after, you know. Yeah, man, that's all after this one.
Come in, Jacko. Probably out. No. Yeah, curfew time.
So now I'm not get Jacko.
You have
Alright, I'm not get Jacko. I'll try him again.
Yeah, try one more time. Jacko, if you win $1 million, you know, you would win it.
Yeah.
Swear.
Okay.
Alright. What we can show now? I'm gonna go through my contacts. I'm showing Virgin name Michael. You see me and them man are friend from I talk about from like 2007 them time. You see me like we grew up in the ghetto. Probably gonna put a picture up on the screen. You see me, so Michael, big up yourself, bro, God. What going? Yeah, bro. You just call up a shout and make you know say Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, I just have to make you know, you know. I say, I have all the virgin and then leave a short man and say Happy Mother's Day and everything, so I feel away, dog.
Yeah, I want to let them text cash today and tell him say, he love your mother and his sister, they want.
Yeah. No, I see a comment it on Instagram or something like that.
I think it's something like that, yeah. We never the grammar and WhatsApp.
Oh.
So when I come like second family too, from where I come from.
Yeah, brother, that was just I say a while ago, dog. From when? From about 2000. How much?
8.
8, yeah, 7, 8 them time.
Yes, 7, 8.
Yeah. It's a video I do still, bro. I call my brother and you know, say Happy Mother's Day to them. You see how they are react. Michael not too, not too gimmicks, but you know, so yes, Bijah.
Well, I call my brother overseas, man. I call him Fuller.
Right.
Yeah.
I know them man are going to react away.
Yeah. In good time back on Mother's Day, because I saw them man stay.
Yeah.
Well, peace, I don't know why, but I'm not really Fuller right now. You know? Contact them, Jay.
Alright, yo, I show somebody before you show back somebody. Alright, people right now, I show my family and country, you see me? Up and across the lesson.
You have reached the voicemail.
Alright, now I get Moon probably busy. And through, you know, the type of work I'm doing, probably can't even answer the phone right now. You see me? So we have a short now, Bijah.
Alright, I call on a bad producer friend, Malachi. You see me? Everybody.
If you need a ring in that background, you're probably in a studio.
Yeah. Malachi Records.
Yeah.
Give him a shout and hear him go react.
Yeah, the way the phone start ringing, it sounds like I'm going to answer.
Oh, my bro.
What you did, bad bro?
Yeah, I'm from.
Thing good.
Yeah, most things you know.
For real, man. I just there say, yo, me a shout you, bless you for Happy Mother's Day, though.
Yeah, man, I listen more of same story, you know.
Yo, for real.
Because the mom, you know.
Yeah, so you run with the Mother's Day thing.
Huh?
Yeah, take Mother's Day greetings. Me I tell you Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah. You tell me Happy Mother's Day, mother, you tell it.
You, me I tell Happy Mother's Day, brother.
You're just all out with the money, right?
That all I'm thinking here is that you, me I tell Happy Mother's Day, bro. Yeah, man, bless up your Mother's Day, man, but I tell you what your Mother's Day, dog, you see? Next month, so another year month this month. But still, it's a video we have make for show up on the YouTube, dog, you see it? So that's why we are make it for call meal bridging them for hear how them are react, you see me? Yeah, man, bro. So I heard still, you see it?
Yeah. This time I'm gonna show the creator, you see me? I'm probably gonna tell her who by the voice, you see me? So I'm just gonna call him and I'm gonna tell her who by the voice. I'm gonna tell her who by the voice. I don't have to tell her no who.
Yeah.
You, where are you?
Yeah, we go.
I just a shout if make you know say Happy Mother's Day, bro.
Jnel, this one is sign up for that.
Yeah, but that's
Same to you.
No, it can't come to me. You know, once we say it, it can't reverse. You see me?
No, so.
Yeah.
So you really call me and tell me Happy Mother's Day?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
No video.
I don't know, man. It's a video me and the bro, guy. I show up my virgin them and tell them Happy Mother's Day. You see me? Yeah. So I record right now. So just hear people them on YouTube, because I don't know.
Yeah, man, I know. Bless up everybody, you know, say night show. You know, ladies, them all born. Dogs them outside, you know, you come down.
Alright, that's the word, bro.
Yeah.
Oh. You know, night chat drama, man, but you never really bring out the drama like that, but you don't know big up. You see me? Night chat matter.
Alright, now peeps, me have okay. I have somebody else.
Alright, yo, I showed two more person. I'm going to show one, just so you sake of the video. We don't want it too long, you see me? So,
alright, two more person.
So what do you say I showed you know?
Alright, me I showed Dean.
Dean. Oh, I'm going to show my brother.
Yeah.
You see me? My declare brother.
I hear, oh, am I very after this? No. Nah, what kind of style like? Yo, they have a stepson. Nah, you know it's a voice me I show to show you though, dog. That one doesn't call every tell Happy Mother's Day, you see my brother?
What?
I mean, do I can't tell you Happy Mother's Day, my friend?
Brother, that's not this month, dog. And this month thing that.
No, today is Mother's Day, so I tell you Happy Mother's Day today.
Yeah.
But me and a mother, bro. And next month, our month.
No, this month I remember. I never know you're a mother still, but.
No, man. That's all the thoughts, brother.
So he is a father?
No, yet.
So you have to take the mothers. You have to take. Alright, peeps. So the camera about you just did a while ago while I talk to my little brother. You see me? So we have to just move on to our next caller because I'm already aware of the whole idea of the video.
Yeah.
You see me? So we're gonna show somebody else and see what I want. So you for sure somebody now, go?
Me for sure somebody now?
Yeah.
Alright, peeps. This is a person I never call now. Then totally, definitely not expect it. You see me? But still, I have a show with him. I hear him, I say, you see me?
Chris.
Call him.
Yo.
Yo, Jnel IG.
Where's that?
Happy Mother's Day.
Not here. Yes. Who that break up?
Now, stop about the fools, because I know you're here, my brother.
Yeah, take a. I told the connection. Wi-Fi slow.
Brother, me I call it straight. I don't know Wi-Fi call me, I call it.
I did sell themselves then.
No.
Yeah, peeps. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. You know, we just plan to do it. We just try to do a little twist to this whole Mother's Day thing. And again, you know, big up all of the mothers them out there, is me. All of the mothers them support, all of the supporters them mother, is me. We are big up again, Bijah.
Well,
yeah.
today the mothers them day.
Big up my mother.
Yeah.
Bigger up already still, but I just a bigger up, so I don't want to say, oh, I'm not big up my mother. Yeah, we are saying.
As I say, at the mothers them day, so basically,
yeah,
a phone day. So, mothers, big up on yourself.
Yeah,
Happy
man,
Mother's Day,
yourself.
all of them. My mother, your mother, everybody mother,
yeah,
and who is not yet a mother, still, Happy Mother's Day too, man. Is it me?
yeah, man, it's me. So, thanks for watching, peeps. You know, if you like the video, click the like button. Is me. You know, share it to a friend so they can have a laugh too. Is me. If you want to see more videos like these, I don't know, let's drop it in the comment section. And big up on yourself. Is me.
Yeah.
You don't know your boy Jnel and I'm out.